Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this super delicious blueberry smoothie, perfect for summer and hot weather. It's refreshing, absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. So what I've got here is a cup of blueberries, and I'm just gonna add this to my blender. You can use fresh or frozen, entirely up to you. Half a cup of milk. Half a cup of yogurt. It can be flavored or plain. 3 tablespoons of sugar, just to sweeten things up. You know, you can adjust this according to your taste. A few drops of vanilla extract, and this is totally optional, but I just like it. And about 8 ice cubes. And I'm gonna put the top on and pop it into the blender, and I'm going to blend this in till it's smooth. Okay, now we're done. This took about 30 seconds. I'm going to pour this into a glass. Doesn't this look incredible? And there you have it, our incredibly refreshing blueberry smoothie. So let's give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, it's smooth, it's silky, it's creamy, just absolutely incredible. You're gonna love this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.